चिबड़ी पसंद है तोखे? You like चिबड़ी? दाल तुरई में थोड़ा टाइम भी सुठो फ्लेवर। Good evening, guys. Another week, another vlog. Right now we are heading to Detroit, US for shopping. And this shopping is for upcoming festivals like Diwali and Karva Chauth. The reason I'm shopping that much earlier is because it is super hard to get outfits at the last minute, especially here in Canada. So we're gonna go to Detroit, look around. If I like something, if I don't, then I'm going to order from Pakistan. But from there, the delivery time is 6 to 8 weeks. So this is why I'm just going to check out to the nearest stores and let's see if I find something. So let's go. So the Nexus lanes are not open right now, so we have to go to regular one. This is the first shop. This one is closed. This is the first shop we're gonna go, and let's see. Park car just a few steps away, and it's raining so hard. We are heading to the next store just to look around if I like anything else, and then we are gonna go back to Windsor. So let's go. Okay, so that's another store, Libas. This looks good. Okay guys, so these are my outfits. I will show you when I will wear them. This one needs alteration. Today's breakfast is roti, butter and chai. Yum. So this is what I usually do. I make double quantity of the vegetable or any sort of dish, and then I freeze it for later use, and then I just take it out from the freezer. It doesn't lose the taste, and it saves a lot of time, especially for those who work throughout the week. I'm going to continue making this, and I will show you how do I make it. To add this one as well. With this, let's try. Chibli pasand hai apko? You like chibli? How do I make? For a time, it's a flavor, right? Okay guys, so my dal and turai is almost ready. Now we are going to have lunch, and then we are going to take some nap. And today's plan is to watch Mandala Murders. This is one of the new series, and I think it is trending, so we decided to watch that. So anyways, let's have lunch, and then I will see you guys later. Look at that, guys, deer. Okay guys, so it is Sunday today. Sunday. So now we are under the tree. We are going to enjoy our peaches. These yummy peaches. This is our favorite fruit in summer. This one, plums and mangoes. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today's vlog. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.